Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to add a botanical twist to your next cocktail, you have got to check out the Flower Cocktail Kit from the Floral Elixir company. I love this little kit. It comes with 5 different flower flavored syrups that are completely natural and they are free from anything artificial, so they really taste amazing and you can really appreciate the floral notes and the uniqueness of each flavor. I love to add botanical and floral elements to a cocktail, and these really elevate your drinks. They are so uniquely flavored and very delicious that it can really add complexity to your cocktails, and honestly, making cocktails at home with this kit, I feel like I am at a high-end cocktail bar, but I'm just at home in the living room. So I have loved putting these into a variety of different cocktails, including a lavender mojito, orange blossom gin and tonic. I really love using them as a substitute for simple syrup in a gimlet. You can really just make them super unique in a really simple way. And this is even great to add to your sparkling wine, or even if you're not looking for an alcoholic drink, adding this to some sparkling water tastes delicious and makes you feel really fancy. So I am super impressed with this set. They are made in small batches and made with care, and I think that really comes through in the quality. The flavor is delicious, and I love that it inspires me to be a little bit more creative in making drinks at home. So I would definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.